Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I will be unboxing my dad's gifts. I got this matka. Usually people get tea in these matkas in India, and back in Qatar this was so not common. So people drink and they throw it. I keep it though. Anyway, so first I got this 3M tape, which dad's. He'll be happy with it. And the next one is, I forgot what this was and I was really confused. And when I opened it, I realized that it was, oh, I dropped it. It was some copper tongue cleaners. Obviously, this is not for dad, it's the usual purchase. It just came together and it's copper, so it's good. It was around 300. No, it was below 200 rupees. I guess 100. I'm not sure, but it was at a really good deal. I think it was even 99 for two. No, for one. Never mind. And the next one is this diary I got for dad, and the cover. Oh my god, look, it looks so giftable. Like, how thoughtful is the packaging? I thought it would come in a random box. And guess what? I got my dad's name embedded on it. And yeah, I got some 100 rupees voucher. I gotta use that. And look at that. There's his name on the pen and the diary. He was so happy with that because usually you have companies' names, you don't have people's names on it, and he's kind of crazy about pens and books. Yeah, here's me not focusing the thing properly, but yeah, he's kind of into all this a lot. So when it was even personalized, it got even more special, and I was so happy I gifted it. There's even a little pocket to keep receipts and stuff. So yeah, it's a diary. It has the months and days of the year, and if you want the link, do comment a heart and I can send over the link so you can gift it to your loved one too. Yeah, I got this on Amazon and you can just personalize it with the name. So yeah, that was a little unboxing. See you in the next one. Bye.